I'm going to talk about charging the Sofirn SC13, what the lights on it mean, and what you can and can't do when charging this light. This will apply to the older version, the SST40 version, or the new Nichia 519A, which is this one. When you go to charge these, well, basically when you go to first turn it on, if you've got the battery in it, you have the protective cap taken out in between the two. When you click the flashlight to turn it on, this light will light up for 5 seconds. So what that light's telling you is the charge level of it. If you've got it on, when you click it on and this light is green, it'll let you know the battery is at a state of charge of somewhere between 70 and 100%. If that light's red when it first comes on, you're looking at between 30 and 70% charge. And if this is a red light and it's flashing, it'll let you know that it's under 30% charge and due for a battery charge. This thing will work by plugging into a power bank to charge it, or you can use a wall outlet type cord. This is the cord that comes with it. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you just take it, plug it in the back, and it'll turn this light on. So when it first starts charging, well, while it's charging, this light will stay red. It'll stay red the whole time until it reaches fully charged, and that fully charged, this light will become green. It just lets you know you're good to go with it. But one thing about this flashlight, some of the Sofirns will do this and some won't, but this one will actually work with a C to C cable. Some of their other flashlights will only work with an A to C cable that comes with it, but with this one, it's more convenient being able to use a C to C cable. A lot of people, that's all they have or comes with their regular phone chargers. With this, shows that you can use a C to C cable here with it, and it still will charge with it. So that's a nice addition compared to some of the older lights that they have. But that's really all you need to do to get it up to charge. Plug it in. It'll let it stay red up until it hits fully green, and then you're good to go. Just make sure to put your cap back on tight to where it doesn't leak, and that's all you need to do. So thanks for watching.